Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through on how to add a video to your YouTube channel.
Open your YouTube and make sure you're signed in. Tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Select upload video. Choose the videos you want to upload from your gallery. Add the title for your video. Here you tell your viewers about your video. To your video, then add a description. Here you can add your audience. Is this Here you select your audience, whether it's made for kids or not. This video is okay for kids, so you select yes. Your video visibility. You can set it to public, unlisted, or private. But we are going to go with public. Once everything is ready, click publish. Your video is now uploaded to YouTube, to your YouTube channel. Thank you for listening.